back on site. I believe today is day 13. Correct if that's wrong, but came in Friday, set what I could on the floor here. I had to finish off over here, row and a half cuts for the vanity. They repair over there, you know, that stone fell on it. I got this back section here, but right now I'm working on the shower. So since we have a larger tile in the shower to accommodate the slope, we have to do relief cuts. So I'm in from a corner of the drain to the corner of the shower. I'm going to do the relief cuts, and probably one right here too, potentially. If not, we'll see. But probably do one there too, because that's definitely a decent slope right there. But if anything, at least from corner to corner, all four corners, again potentially over here. So that's where I'm at on the project, one step at a time, making sure everything's done correctly, thoroughly. There you go. Okay, here we are back on site. Today is day 15. So I got most of it set yesterday. Got this section here to finish. All around the vanity's done. Back corner there, and the shower. So that was a lot of work getting this bad boy to work, but I got it. So that's that. Came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Not perfect, but came out good. Envelope cut. Everything's looking good, so everything's sloped in. No problem with that. So that's good. Set over a few tiles over here in this back section here, so I have this to finish off, and by the doorway. So that is where I'm at. Day 15. Okay, day 18, back on site. Yesterday I was able to get all this wall tiles up and down over there. So today I'm continuing on with the install, one tile at a time. There we go, day 18. So here we go, day 19, back on site. Yesterday I got all this done over here. So what I have left to do is the niche around the top, and then down here, and I also have the transition to do over here, which I'll have to screed it out, make my ramp transition, and do that. So that's that. Day 19. There we go. Okay, here we are, day 20 on site. Yesterday I was able to start up the niche here, cut the stone, and install these three over here. So we got the cuts on the top left to do inside the niche, and then the custom ramp over here. So that is where I'm at. Day 20, one day at a time. Here we are back on site, day 21. Yesterday I was able to cut all those ceiling tiles there. A lot of cutting, a lot of time for that. I started the niche, so that's I gotta finish off the niche, the stone wall there, and then this ramp transition here. So that's where I'm at right now. Day 21. Job is getting almost finished now. There you go. Okay, here we are back on site. Day 22 on site. All the tiles set. Custom ramp is done. Niche is done, and stone wall is done as well. So basically, we are ready for grout. So we gotta grout all these walls and the entire floor as well today. So that is the last step of the process here, pretty much. Once we get done with the grout today, come back tomorrow, final wash everything, then we do the caulking and silicone, and I'm ready to turn it back over to the contractor on this case to finish off the rest of the bathroom. So there we go. Day 23. Came in yesterday, everything is grouted up. And this is my Pay FA, and the color is biscuit. So kind of like a light tan color, you can say there. Everything is grouted in, good to go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to give everything a final wash. Turn the lights on. We give everything a final wash and let that dry, and then we're just going to caulk and silicone where needed, and this will be ready for the client. At least the shower will be. GC on this project. The contractor is going to finish off the rest of the bathroom. I'm just doing tile here, and that is it. Day 23. Job will be completed. I'll show you some videos, probably pictures of what everything looks like when it's done. And I'll probably get some pictures and maybe even come back when the glass is in and everything is completely done. So that is it. Okay, everything's completely done. Cleaned up in here. Everything is caulked and siliconed where necessary. Everything is final washed, good to go. Give you a quick walk through here. So these are actually 13 by 13s on the floor, ceramic. And we did a nice fluted profile here for the glass that just inserts right into there, so they don't have to put fasteners through the substrate and potentially blowing the waterproofing. So we did that, 13 by 13 ceramic, nice fluted drain there. We have gold board on the walls. Show you around the bend here into the toilet area. Everything is completely heated. Into the shower as well. The whole bathroom floor up to about a foot or so from the toilet, so everything's going to be really nice in here for the client to have a nice heated floor and a curbless walk-in shower with no curb. Nice really big niche in there with the glass mosaics in the back, and we got 32 by 32 porcelain on the wall tile with about 1/8 to 3/16 grout joint. These are rectified tiles, so it allows me to do about a 1/8 joint. This tile wasn't very consistent, so the grout joints kind of vary between an 1/8 and a 1/16 to get all the corners to line up. But that's what we got here. Stone on this wall, this was already here, just patching this bottom section here, and we cut it there. Slip the tile right behind there. We're going to leave that open there. So that was the plan. So there we go. Everything is pitched really nice to drain. So if the water does come over to here, it is going to drain into there. And the whole floor over here is pretty close to level, not perfect, but it doesn't pitch in. When I came here, the water, the substrate pitched to that corner, so we made sure we made this level. And it's actually slightly pitched towards that way. Over here, we're real close to level. Back there, but over here, now from our furthest point, which was about here, we're 3/8 of an inch pitch from here to the drain. So the water's going to drain on this, no problem at all. Definitely no problem at all. So that's that for this project. I am on to the next project. Came out really good. And since we did heated floor, we did 2 cables actually with 2 thermostats. One cable runs along the vanity here, runs around the back section here, then into the shower. And the other one runs out here, then kind of goes back and forth over to here and then into the tall section. We have 2 thermostats for that. So that way if one does fail in the shower, for some odd reason, we still have the heat in the bathroom floor. So shouldn't have any issues. I tested everything with the mega meter. Everything passed. So this should be good for another 20-30 years at least. Be a real nice bathroom for the client. Custom ram transition here. Basically what I did is I screed it out to have a pitch down. So we go into the carpet. I did bring this edge up a little bit here because that carpet is pretty high. But carpet guy will come in here and I'll tuck it right under the slip here. It'll go right under this lip on the sluter profile. Got some grout there. Get that out of the way. But he'll tuck it right under here. And you'll just see the edge of the profile right there. So that'll be a really nice feature there. And there we go.